Do you often feel tired even after a full night's sleep? In this video, I'll share 5 proven ways to naturally boost your energy and feel more active every day. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future health tips. Eating the right foods can have a huge impact on your energy. Try adding eggs, nuts, bananas, and spinach to your daily meals. These foods are rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins. They keep your body energized and your mind sharp throughout the day. Dehydration can make you feel tired and sluggish. Start your morning with a glass of water to wake up your body naturally. A short morning routine can boost your energy significantly. Even 5 minutes of yoga or a quick walk can activate your body and mind. Move your body, get your blood flowing, and you'll feel ready to face the day. Good sleep is essential for energy. Try to sleep at the same time every night. Reduce screen time before bed and keep your room dark and quiet. A quality sleep restores your body and gives you more energy the next day. Small lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Eat small, frequent meals. Manage stress with deep breathing or meditation. Start implementing these 5 tips today and feel your energy soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.